Friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make canny from South Park. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com website from your browser. So if you're using phone, any phone, open the browser, any browser, and type roblox.com, and it will take you to this website where you have to tap on this extension browser. And once you reach here, just make sure you log in with your ID. And now it's time to go to avatar shop or a shop. Now you have to search for canny from here. So now you can see that the canny, so you can purchase this uh, this uh, this item from it, and or you can buy any of the orange item if you want. Fine, so you can see this one, and you can have to use at least 5 robux to purchase any of them, and it costs 7 robux as well. So you can buy any of them. So after purchasing this, once you purchase this, now you have to look for a too tight hoodie. So you need a hoodie for that to create canny. So you'd have to type too tight. So you have to search this exact keyword to find the item that you want for making canny. And you can see that this is the uh, hoodie, orange hoodie that we want to create a canny, and it will cost you around 90 robux. So you have to spend 90 robux for this item. And now once you purchase these two, now one more thing you have to purchase to create canny from South Pack, and this is the phase one, and I'm forgetting something, I'm forgetting the name. So it was, yeah, award winning. So friends, if you have this smile, then you can you have to search for this keyword in the search section, and if you find this smile, I'm not being able to find here. So this smile expression will be needed to make canny. So if you have this, you can use it, and if you don't have, you can search by this keyword, and if you find it, then you can use it, and you have to purchase definitely to use it. And if you find this item, just let me know in comment section, because it can be my location that causing the unavailability of this item. So yeah, you need 3 items, just as I told you before. So 3 items will be needed to create canny. And so hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.